This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Settings because that's where iOS controls VPN connections. Once done, scan the top-level list for a VPN toggle or go to Settings General VPN and Device Management. This reveals active profiles. If a third-party VPN app created the connection, you'll need to open that app instead. Tap the visible VPN toggle to switch it off. You'll see the status indicator disappear. Make sure you authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when prompted to finalize the change. Once you've turned off the system toggle, continue by removing persistent configurations so the VPN won't auto-reconnect. Go to General VPN and Device Management, select any listed VPN profiles, then disable Connect on Demand and delete profiles you no longer trust. If a VPN app is managing the link, open that app, use its disconnect option, then choose Uninstall if you don't need it. Make sure to confirm deletion prompts, otherwise the profile can remain, and re-enable the VPN automatically. Finish by verifying the VPN is truly off. Look at the status bar for the VPN badge and browse a site to confirm your normal connection. If the badge remains or traffic is still routed through the VPN, restart your iPhone to clear stuck services. Make sure you removed any configuration profiles under VPN and Device Management, and then recheck. If the VPN persists after these steps, remove the profile entirely or contact the VPN provider or your network administrator for a server-side disconnect. This usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.